Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how I clean my bathroom. I'm being real transparent with y'all because my bathroom looks a hot mess, but don't judge me. I just got finished recording, so throughout this video I'm gonna have a bonnet on. You're gonna see some booty shots. I'm sorry, my wide booty was in some of the frames and I wanted to get as much footage for y'all as I could. So I basically just start off by taking everything that doesn't belong on the counter and putting them where they need to be. So like a blow dryer, clips, hair bands, things like that. Just taking everything that doesn't need to be on top of the counter and putting them in their space. Now I am lighting a candle to kind of create the mood because I do hate the smell of bleach. Some of the products that I am going to use do have bleach in them. So I do light a candle to just kind of try and cancel out that smell. So at this point, I'm going to move everything. Because I have a double sink bathroom, I basically move everything to one side and then I clean that side. So I'm using the Method bathroom cleaner and also the Method AntiBac. I think that scent is in bamboo. And I'm just going to use this scrub brush that I got from the dollar store and just basically scrub my sink and clean off my sink. Now, I don't know why, but whenever we moved in, the sink had this mold. So every single time I clean the drain, this mold comes out or this black stuff. I don't know. But I basically just wipe that out. And that's a microfiber cloth that I got from Grove Collaborative. I didn't get my Method sprays from Grove. You can get them at Target, which is where I got them. But you can get them at Grove Collaborative as well. And I'm using my Grove Collaborative mirror spray, and I just take a paper towel and wipe that off and just wipe off the things that have to go back on the counter because sometimes they have stuff at the bottom, so I just try to make sure they're clean before I put them back. And now, although I do have microfiber cloth, I do use paper towels from time to time, and I know some people are going to disagree. It's just something that I do, and I try to, when I do use paper towels, I try to use them for as many things as I can until they're non-usable anymore. So I'm basically just going to do the same thing and clean off the middle section, and then I'll move my way down towards the second sink. So this plastic storage container, it has a lot of the face care items that I use from Sephora. So since I've been on acne medication, I haven't really been using them. So I just kind of cleaned the ones out that I don't use anymore and just refill them with the stuff that I try to use. Maybe not on a daily basis, but more often than other things. And now I did take the letters off that light box so I can change them. And so moving on to the toilet area, I do have like a separate toilet area. I am using still the Method AntiBac and the bathroom cleaner spray. And then I also use just a regular Clorox toilet cleaner with bleach. And I just basically scrub my toilet down. Now, once again, I don't like to use a microfiber cloth that I reuse on my toilet. Like, something about that just bothers me. So I just use a few sheets of toilet paper to kind of clean off the toilet seat, and that's just what works for me. And I just take everything out of the bathroom, or out of there, and I just started sweeping the floors. And I actually go through the entire bathroom at this point and sweep the floors. And I actually just put up that space saver around my toilet, and it is just so cute. And so I'm going to decorate it here in a bit. So those are some little plants that I got from Target. They're fake. And then my little spray diffuser thing, and a candle, of course, with some spray, and my wipes. So now we really get to see my booty shine. Because I had to bend over so many times to clean this daggone tub. But yeah, this is my shower. So there are some parts of my shower that get moldy as well. So that's where I put that Clorox Toilet Cleaner. I like to put that on those areas, and some parts of the grout that also get stained really badly. I put that toilet cleaner in the grout. That's actually a hack that I saw on a video on YouTube. And I just spray my shower down with that Method AntiBac and the bathroom cleaner. Again, I used to have the shower cleaner, but I used it all. And I have this stick. I can't remember where my sister got that stick. It has a scrubber at the end, which makes it a lot easier to scrub the walls and, actually scrub the tub. Oh, there goes my booty. But yeah, I just scrubbed the walls and everything. Like, I really went in on the tub. I kind of just showed a portion of it because I didn't want to bore y'all with it. And then I just used really hot water to rinse off all of that cleaner. And another hack for you guys, which I got from another YouTuber. I can't remember this girl's name, but she used a Mr. Clean magic eraser in her tub, and it kind of just makes to get all these marks off and just makes everything look nice and white. And I love that hack. I use it every single time I clean the bathroom. So now I'm just putting everything that I want to go back. I kind of purged some things that I don't use in the shower. And let me know down below if you want to see a hygiene or shower routine. So I use this Method mop cleaner, and it's basically a spray and mop. I think that's what it's called. I just mop my floor because it's been a long time, and this is the final result. I'm so proud of my bathroom. It looks so freaking good. And also, I didn't get to tell you guys, but Happy New Year. 2019 is our year. Let's take advantage of it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Smooches.